Have you ever struggled to find the right template for your task only to get lost in a sea of options, spread across various locations, unsure which one is correct or where to even start looking? It's confusing, frustrating, and a huge time waster, leaving you stuck and unsure how to begin. But it doesn't have to be this way. That's why we built the Template Chooser, a one-stop destination for the latest up-to-date branded templates for any task, in any application, across your entire organization. In Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, the Template Chooser provides access to your templates via the Template Chooser add-in for Office. Users are automatically single-signed in with their existing Microsoft 365 account, seamlessly connecting them to all organizational templates. Once signed in, users will see a list of application-specific templates available to them. Creating a new document is as easy as clicking on one of the listed templates. Users can mark favorites for quick access, preview templates before selection, and use the powerful search feature to find specific templates by name, metadata, and file content. Additionally, larger organizations can create as many libraries as they wish, enabling users to have access to multiple libraries from various departments. These features are shared across all other Template Chooser add-ins and apps. In Microsoft Teams, the Template Chooser appears as a personal app in the left app bar. Launching it will show users all available templates, regardless of file format, and allows them to save new documents anywhere in Microsoft 365. The Template Chooser will remember the destination the users pick and propose that destination for their next document. Alternatively, the Template Chooser can be installed into a team as a tab app, automatically proposing the save location of new files to be the current channel's document library, perfect for team collaboration. In Microsoft 365, the Template Chooser appears as an app in the Microsoft 365 app bar. It behaves the same as the Template Chooser for the Teams personal app, allowing users to create and save new documents to any location within their Microsoft 365 tenant. In Outlook, the Template Chooser appears as an app in the Outlook app bar. Just like in Teams and Microsoft 365, it gives users quick access to templates and allows them to create and save new documents directly to any location within their Microsoft 365 tenant. It also supports the EML format, making it easy to use existing email templates that automatically open in Outlook and are ready to send instantly. In SharePoint Online, the Template Chooser for SharePoint appears in the command bar of a document library. It will by default suggest to store newly created documents in the document library and folder the users are currently working in. In any browser, users can use the Template Chooser for the browser web app to create new documents and save them directly to Microsoft 365. The browser version also allows opening and filling out PDF forms, ideal for first-line workers. Another way to access templates is via links. Users can copy a link of any template and place it in any location that supports these links, like your desktop or intranet page. Clicking the link opens the Template Chooser for the browser and pre-selects the template for you. You can also create a Windows app from the Template Chooser web app in Edge by loading the Template Chooser for the browser and selecting Install this site as an app from the menu. This will create an app and place it in your Windows app bar so that you can launch the Template Chooser as a Windows app anytime you want. Developers can also integrate the Template Chooser into any business applications using the Template Chooser iframe component. This allows users to select templates in the Template Chooser and create documents without leaving the business application. Plus, developers can embed relevant data into templates to save users from retyping existing data. This data embedding feature also works in combination with template links. If you want your users to automatically use your latest branded templates for any task across any application in your organization, leading to better business outcomes, the Template Chooser is the app you need.